Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I'm very excited to be sharing this with you. It is a torrential downpour. We're having a little Saturday storm, and so I actually have a car appointment that I'm going to, and it is near a bookstore. So I thought, let's do a spend the day at the bookstore with me, because once my car is done, I think I just want to cozy up in indigo and read some books. And so I do have books with me, so I'll show them to you when I get there, hopefully. And I am filming on the Google Pixel 8. This is a new work phone that I got, and so I'm just testing it out, so we'll see how the quality is. Definitely looks different to me in the video, but we'll see once I actually edit and upload if the quality changes. But let me know how you guys like this. This is kind of different. I have my coffee. I'm almost done it, but I'm just dreaming of Hawaii and drinking my iced coffee. We're gonna go to Canadian Tire and get my my oil changed, and let's go to the bookstore and read. Okay, 90 buckaroonies later. But I needed to do this like really bad. Wow. Okay, well, I don't want to end this video. I do want to update the book that I was reading. So I was reading Not the Billionaire, something about the billionaire. When I start ebooks, like the cover isn't visible, so I don't actually know what I'm reading. Something about billionaires. And I'm giving it 3 stars. I did finish it while I was sitting there. I'm giving it 3 stars because I didn't like that the lie went on so long. Like basically this guy is a billionaire. He runs into this girl. She's starting working at his company and she doesn't know anything about him. She's never met him before. So she does meet him at the very beginning of the book and they have a little meet cute. She doesn't know who he is. And when he realizes that, he's like, ooh, I'm gonna not tell her who I am to just like see if I can trust her, because, which like truly doesn't make any sense. Like, I'm gonna lie so that I can see if I can trust her, but then now she can't trust me. Yeah, he pretends to just be an employee of the place and not the owner, and they fall in love. But then she finds out and she's heartbroken and totally betrayed the trust there. And the thing is, like, part of his family was involved in the lie, and the way it all came out, I just was like, I do not like this. Like, I don't know. I just overall was like disappointed. I really liked the writing style though, and I did like the characters. There was nice faith content in it, like they were praying, and like the guy was going to church and talking about lies and how God calls us to be truthful, and he's like, oh, I'm not being truthful right now. So there was some like good life lessons in there. But so that's what I was reading while I was in the bookstore. Obviously home. Thank you for spending the day with me. I did start this book. It's called The Holiday Mix-Up by Ginny Baird. I don't know. I'm listening to the audiobook as well. So I'm on chapter 9 now. So gotten pretty far. And I can tell you a little bit about this book. And it's actually similar to the Billionaire book that I just finished. So I'm not super like into it, but I like it a bit better than the Billionaire one. We'll see though. Okay, so basically at the very beginning of this book, this guy that this girl has been crushing on, he comes up to her and is like, can you just pretend to be my girlfriend for Christmas because my parents won't leave me alone, whatever. It's the classic like fake dating for holiday kind of story. But then in that same chapter, he almost gets hit by a car and falls and is in a coma. And she is there with him. So they go to the hospital and his whole family thinks that they're actually dating because he ended up texting them before he got hit that, hey, I have a girlfriend that I'll be bringing to all of the festivities. So they're really excited. And he asks her to like promise him that she'll play along. And so she's like, well, he's in a coma now. I feel like I have to honor him. So she is pretending that they were together. But he has a brother. And there are some sparks flying between her and the brother. So the guy's still in a coma, but then his brother is now kind of liking the girl and the girl's liking the brother. So it's one of those things. So it's okay so far. It's very like family focused and they are Mexican, I think. So there's a lot of like culture and it's interesting in that sense. Like I like the storyline, I like the storytelling and the writing, and I do like the characters. Nothing like really dumb or cringy has happened. So that's nice. So we'll see how it ends. I assume that she's gonna end up with the brother now. So there's my little update. We'll see. I'll probably finish it before the month is over. And thank you so much for spending this day with me. I just was thinking like something that I haven't done before, and it's like really cozy out and raining, and I was gonna be near the bookstore anyways, so I thought I would bring you guys along with me. So thank you for watching this video, you guys. I'll link all the books down below that I've talked about, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.